Hi, I'm Taku. Actually, this time iron mordant dying. I tried a method I learned from a follower. I hope you take the time to see the results of that today. Walnut surprised at how black it turned out. Oak also darkens considerably, but the vessels don't die. Zelkova, endemic to Japan, used in the construction of shrines and other buildings. Nice color. Mahogany surprisingly blackened, but ruined a nice color. Beech didn't turn much black. Pine laminated wood not so good. It's easy and I hope you'll give it a try.